Hey guys, Chris with Dentless Touch. Over the past 2 years, I've been looking for a solid hell light to update some of our shop units. So at the Mobile Tech Expo 2018, I made my decision. So I want to show you why I chose Pro PDR Chubby HD light. The first thing I want to talk about is price and availability. The light by itself comes in at $540, which is a comparable price for what's on the market. Now, if you want to get all of the accessories with the colored lens and the powder coated stand and even the never loose adapter piece, that will push the price for a little bit over $1,000. Now for availability, when I initially ordered this light at MTE, it actually got there in 3 days. I then placed 2 other orders and got the lights again in 3 days. So now let's talk about reliability. I've owned these lights for about 6 months and I bought 4 of these. So far I haven't received any flickering, any dead LEDs. They've been a solid workhorse. So I haven't dropped this thing off of a 10-story building, but I do toss it in the back of my truck every day. I talked to Rich a little bit. After the new management, he said that the new LEDs and the new chipset was something that they upgraded. Now, one of the main reasons I purchased the Pro PDR light was for the fade quality. If you guys don't think that makes a difference, you're missing out. Now, this fade is absolutely beautiful. Now, having a quality fade allows me to get quicker and cleaner repairs. This is just my opinion, but now there's a lot of companies that are coming out with wider lights that disperse the fade a lot further. But these guys, we're the first. We just went over the things that I value the most: price, reliability, and fade quality. If you're interested in purchasing the Chubby HD 46-inch light, head over to their website at propdr.com. Hopefully this video has been informative, and we'll see you on the next one.